This is the Redmi A1, and today I would like to demonstrate you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So first of all, you have to enable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data if possible, of course. Then among the shortcuts over here, look for the nearby share shortcut. If it is not present in your case, as it is not present in mine, tap on this pencil icon in order to edit the layout of the shortcuts. Find the nearby share icon among the unused options. Here it is, and drag it, hold it and drag it to the used shortcuts field. So, God, okay, I'll leave it to be here. Now, once it has been successfully added, tap on it, go for settings. Actually, in order to go to the settings, you gotta tap and hold onto the shortcut. So whatever. First of all, verify your phone number or add it if necessary. Then switch on the toggle that you have over here. After that, you can rename the device. I'll rename it to HardReset Redmi. Then you can switch the device visibility mode from hidden to context to everyone. I'll set it to be visible for anybody that will be in range. And next, you can also manage the data mode used for, well, file transfer. You can either allow it to use data, allow it to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So now the nearby share feature has been successfully set up and activated. Let's test it out. I'll have this phone on me right now. I'll take some screenshot. Then I will share it through nearby share. Hold on. Oh, where is the gallery on it? So, okay, I'll Google Photos, whatever. At least. Okay. Oh, yeah, I missed them. Okay. So here are the Google Photos. Let's say I'll send this picture instead of a screenshot I've made, whatever, really. So I'll go for the nearby share. Here it is. Then wait until my Realme, not Realme, excuse me, the Redmi gets discovered over here. Yeah, let me double check if I've enabled I've made my Redmi visible to anybody. Yep, I did. The Wi-Fi and already everything is set up correctly, so it has to be discovered right away. So let's try it once again. Here it is. Now we gotta accept the transfer on the receiver's end. And as you can see, the picture has been successfully received, and well, now we can watch it. I don't know, do whatever you want. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.